So a high performance student doesn't need a manager to be looking over their shoulder when they're studying. They can kind of manage themselves, they can motivate themselves. And once you learn how to do this and how to manage yourself properly, it's an absolutely indispensable skill to have, not only as a student, but in the working environment too. Like Henry Ford once said, if you always do what you've always done, you'll always get what you've always gotten. You must develop a sense of urgency in the pursuit to transform your grades. You must step up your efforts in life if you wish to level up and live a life that is based on your own terms, not on those dictated by other people. Your dreams can be transformed into reality only when you put in hard work and dedication. Apart from you yourself, no one else can stop you from being extraordinary. If others have done it, then so can you. So you can take initiative or laze around in bed all day. You're the one who has to make that choice and live with its consequences. If you are determined to live with urgency, you will know that you do not have the time in your day that you can just waste. If your goal is to stand out from those around you, then you will choose to live differently when urgency is the driving force behind you. You look at every hour as an opportunity to do something new, to become a better person. Now, at the beginning of this video, I mentioned that you probably don't need to be studying for 12 hours a day every day in order to get really good grades, right? You need to study how to study. You need to learn how to study smart. So I made 2 courses on Skillshare, which you can access for free, going through exactly how you can do that, on how to maximize your time so you're studying as efficiently as possible, meaning that you can essentially study fewer hours, right? So I have 2 1-hour 40-minute classes, not just a short 10-minute video like I have on YouTube, but these are in-depth courses going through topics